guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I have not one but two Liveglam clubs. I have the Lippie club and I have the brush club for this month of July 2021. And if you want to see what I got, then stay tuned. But before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at the Soto Beauty Subscription. Okay guys, I got my Lippie and my brush club here, and I'm super excited that they're here. Now for this month, we do not get an eyeshadow palette because I got the eyeshadow palette last month, and eyeshadow palette club is a bi-monthly club. So for this month it is skipped, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep it for next month. I just gotta see the eyeshadow palette to see if that's something that I would want. Like I said, with this Liveglam, you can skip if there's something that you don't want, like, oh, I don't want this or whatever, you can skip it, or you can trade it for something. But because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, I'm just going to probably be like, maybe the next one, okay? But you should know by next month if I got it or not. All right, so for this month, we have the Lippie Club and the Brush Club, and they're both $19.99 a month. Seriously, guys, it is only $19.99 a month. There's no taxes taken out or anything, I don't believe, because I never seen any of the taxes. It's literally a $19.99 subscription. And then all the products that are in here are worth over $30. Last month, I want to say my brush club was way over $30. I was shocked, very, very shocked when I was editing that video and I calculated all the brushes. I was like, whoa, over $30. So let's see if this month tops it too as well, because it's brush club is pretty heavy in here. And of course the Lippie club, all the Lippies are about $10 for club members. They're $10 a piece, and yeah, we get about 3 of those in there. All right, let's open up the brush club, because brush club is an oldie but a goodie of mine, and it is it is Morphe brushes in here. And you know me, I love Morphe brushes. I did get a friend recently. She just subscribed to the brush club because she wanted to build up her brush collection too, because she doesn't have that many. And so I'm so happy. So you know who you are. So she signed up with my link. So sorry, I thought I lowered my phone. So I was saying she signed up with my link, and because she signed up, I believe she's getting a free brush, and I got $200. Yeah, I wish. I got a 200 points. I almost said it again. 200 points toward my point. It accumulated my points so that I can purchase that, because my points, I can purchase new lippies, new a blush palette, maybe more brushes. That's where it goes. So yeah, there you go. Anyway. So thank you, girl. Anyway, so here it is. This is for the month of July. It is called "'Tis the Sea Sun." Sea Sun. You see it? See it? Oh yeah. July 2021. I just gave you a little sneaky peek of the brushes, and yeah. So on the back here, it says, "Sweet summertime. What would summer be without beach hair? Ice cold drinks, poolside party, and refreshing makeup looks. No matter what comes your way, you're about to glow all day with our new brush club collection, 'Tis the Sea Sun. These brushes bring inspiration for gorgeous and radiant makeup looks. Pro Deluxe Contour brush, pointed highlighter, pointed deluxe blender, flat buffer, wide angle foundation brush, and deluxe flat contour. After all, a little bit of summer is what the whole year is all about. Get ready to evaluate summertime beauty radiant. Show us your sun-kissed love on Instagram and tag Liveglam." And oh, if you tag Liveglam with your brushes too, if you get picked for that month, they reward you, I believe it was like 600 points or something like that. I won twice already. All right, my nose is kind of oily right now, but that's okay. All right, so it looks like we got a lot of brushes in here, and oh, I'm dropping one already. Of course. All right. Look at these, guys. Look at all these brushes. It looks like we got about 6 brushes this month, and yeah, they're pretty big. The brushes do come individually wrapped, like I've said it before. That's what I love because it's sanitizing free. Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up these brushes. Like also on the plastic, they do have the brush number and name, and that's awesome as well. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I have these 6 brushes here, and I'm sorry if you're hearing noises like behind that door. My kids are here. They're trying to clean up their mess because they're trying to earn their coins. So they're just doing a little house chore right now. All right, let's get into this brushed. Okay, the brushes here. All right, so the first one we have here is a E42 Pro Deluxe Contour Brush. This luxurious deluxe size brush for a soft natural contour. Ooh, it is a very soft. It is a huge. Do you see that? I just love that. And definitely for contour. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect fit. Oh, wow, that is very nice. This has to be like a $12 brush or something. Way up there. Way up there, guys. All right. This is the R34. This is a pointed highlighter. Flare tapered natural brushes that sweeps highlights precisely where you want it. And I believe I have one of these. I probably got in this like in a like the brush is like a little smaller in a smaller kit, but these brushes are really nice, definitely for highlighting. Love that. All right, and then the next one I got here is a M573 Pointed Deluxe Blender. This brush has a thick base and a round tip to create soft and blown out lines. And ooh, that is a very soft line. I mean soft line. Soft brush. Here it is. This is what it looks like. Oh, guys, I'm telling you, when I say that Liveglam has built up my collection, they have built up my collection. I'm gonna show you. Every time I tell you that my brushes are over there, they're in this like case that I have, and they're like, it's a 4-drawer, well actually it's a 6-drawer case, but it has 4 of these big ones in there, and then 2 of the small ones, but the 4 of my big ones are just like full of brushes. Look at that. And what I tend to do is when I see the brushes are like, I've had them for so long and the glue is loosening up or whatever, I do toss them, and then I just go into my drawer and pick up new ones. I have as well have gifted some of my brushes to family members, girlfriends, you know, whoever needed brushes, I have gifted to them, so they know that they can come to me. All right, let's continue on, but I wanted to show you a little bit of my collection, of my brush collection. Let me know too if you would like a video of showing you like my collections here, like my makeup collection and stuff like that. So the next thing I got here is the R6 Flat Buffer, this full coverage kabuki style foundation brush with densely packed synthetic bristles. I believe I do have one of these because R6 does sound familiar to me. So I believe I have tried this one before. I think I have this one in G6. G6 is a little smaller there, and I do use this for like foundations or concealers and stuff like that, and they work wonders. They really buff out my foundation and everything, so I do like brushes like that. The next thing I have here is the E63 wide angle foundation brush. So this is another foundation brush. This brush can find every last spot on your face and blend to perfection. So if you can see that, that is, wow, that is something. I would definitely want to try this out because I could see myself doing that. I do alternate back and forth with brushes and sponges, so it all depends on my mood. And the last brush we got here is the M580 Deluxe Flat Contour. This contour brush has a flat round head to fit precisely into contouring of the face, so this one will definitely work perfectly when you contour like the nose area, or like where some people are contouring the bottom of their lip or their jawline, definitely up here too as well. So that is awesome. So we did get 2 contour brushes, different styles, different sizes. We did get 2 types of foundation brushes, and then we got a highlighter and one for the eyes. So that is amazing. Yeah, and of course I will let you know what the total amount of this month brushes were. And yeah, I'm not mad about that. So let me know down below, what did you think about this month's collection? Wow, that was a lot. That was a lot. All right, guys, let's move on to the Lippie Club here. And again, it is $19.99 a month. And you can sign up yearly too, if you like, for these clubs. And I believe if you sign up yearly, you get 1 month free, I want to say. All right, so this month is July 2021, Cali Sunset. And here is what it looks like. I did not switch out the lippies or anything like that. It says, stay golden, babe. It's time to broaden your horizon with our new Lippie Club collection, Cali Sunset. These fantastic shades are inspired by the sweet taste of cotton candy skies, vibrant, fun, and gorgeous. With bright and sun sensation palm trees packaging, these shades will have you ready to soak up the sun in style. Don't be shy, go ahead and dive into your favorite shades. Sunset is our favorite color. We'd love to see your radiant looks on Instagram. Okay, so we got 3 colors here. And here they are in this beautiful little bag. And it says Liveglam Kiss Me. Excuse me. I got like a tickle in my throat. Oh my god, these are super cute. Look at these packaging. Oh, look at that with the palm trees, Cali's palm trees. Super gorge colors there. Okay, so let's go with this first color. I believe this is it. Yes. This is called Beauty and the Beach. Wake up, beauty. It's time to beach. Get ready for a day full of sweet summer bliss with this sandy matte pink nude lippie. This dreamy shade will be your summer glow to win you're after a perfectly effortlessly but gorgeous pout. So this is a matte liquid lipstick. So this is my only thing, and it's something very small, but I think if you're like me and you're grabbing a lippie and you grab a lippie like this, you would think, oh wait, is this a lip gloss or is this a liquid lipstick? So maybe in the future, Liveglam, maybe putting something around here or even on the sticker saying that this is a liquid lipstick or is it a lip gloss, because I have gone through my lippies and I was like, wait, is this a lip gloss? And I have to open it in order to find out. So that's just a little side note there. Ooh, look at that color. That is really, really pretty. Right now I have Velvet Teddy by MAC, but let's put this on top. That is a very, very beautiful color. I do like that one. It's gonna be like one of my favorites. Wow. It does look like Velvet Teddy too, right when I put it on. So that's a very, very gorgeous color. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is the Tropical Vibes. Talk about immaculate summer vibes, vibrant and exotic. Nothing says vacation ready better than this matte watermelon lippie. Get ready to shake your palms in this beautiful shade. So another liquid lipstick. It's matte. Oh wow, wow, very, very vibrant. Oh, and I, you know what, I always forget to show you, that's what the doe foot applicator looks like. Very easy to place on, but that is very vibrant, very pinky. This is a shade definitely that I will not wear. Since I swatched it, I definitely will give it to my friend who tends to wear more peaky tones and stuff like that, and she'll definitely love this. And I'm seeing her when I leave this weekend, so this week actually, so that's coming with me on my trip, so I can definitely give that to her, but she will definitely love that shade. Definitely love that shade. All right, then the last one we got here is called Chasing Sunset. When the sun goes down, that's your cue to glow. Whatever you're cruising to the beach at sunrise or enjoying cocktails at sunset, this silky coral gloss is both luminous and fresh. So here is a lip gloss. Ooh, there we go. So I can tell like the lip gloss doe foot applicator is much smaller than the liquid lipsticks, and that's what it is. It gives it a little pinky tone to it. So wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, now that the color is it dried up, it looks really nice. I do like it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this on right on top. Let's get some of this. That is really, really pretty. Okay, I love that. All right guys, so that was this month's July 2021 Kiss Me Lippie Club collection. Very vibrant, like they say, very very beautiful colors here, and here are the shades. Wow, so gorgeous. All right guys, let me know down below, what did you think about this month's collection? Okay guys, that is it. That's everything that I have for you. Like I said, let me know down below, what did you think? Is this something that it interests you to sign up and see what it's all about? Let me know. And I always put the links on my description of all the, basically all the subscriptions that I have, and Liveglam is on there. It is my link to, it's my link, so if you sign up through my link, I do get points from them. Like I said, I don't make any money, I just get points. That's it. All right guys, that is everything that I have for you today. Yeah, all right, hope you guys have a great day. I don't know where I was going with that, but I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. As well, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. As always, please be safe out there, stay healthy, and I will see you on the next one. Much love. Bye. Mwah.